Did you know AI-generated art sells for hundreds of thousands of dollars and even wins art competitions? From futuristic landscapes to photorealistic portraits, AI is reshaping how we create and experience art faster than ever. But is AI a creative revolution or a threat to human artists? Let's find out. AI art is no longer just a gimmick, it's a game changer. With the rise of tools like MidJourney, Stable Diffusion, and Leonardo AI, anyone can create professional quality artwork in seconds. Whether you're an artist, designer, or just curious about the future of creativity, AI art transforms how we think about artistic expression. But not everyone is convinced. AI-generated art has sparked heated debates. Critics argue that AI art isn't real art. They say it lacks originality, steals from human artists, and diminishes the role of true creatives. Even professional artists worry. If AI can create a masterpiece in seconds, what happens to the future of traditional art? So, is AI art just a trend, or is it the next great artistic revolution? Let's take a look at some mind-blowing AI art creations and the tools behind them. MidJourney is one of the most potent AI art tools out there, capable of producing dreamlike, ultra-detailed artworks that look like they belong in a gallery. Stable Diffusion is an open-source AI tool that allows users to generate high-quality images for free on their computers. Leonardo AI is a powerful MidJourney alternative specializing in in-game assets, character design, and ultra-realistic illustrations. Runway ML is an AI video tool that transforms still AI-generated images into animations, bringing AI art to life. With just a few words, these AI tools can generate anything, from futuristic cityscapes to intricate fine art. And then there's this, an AI-generated piece that shocked the art world. In 2022, an AI-generated artwork titled Space Opera Theater by Jason M. Allen, created using MidJourney, won first place in the Colorado State Fair's digital art competition, beating out human artists. This wasn't just a viral moment, it changed how people think about AI and creativity. If an AI can create award-winning art, what does this mean for the future of artists and designers? Love it or hate it, AI art is here to stay. It challenges our definition of creativity and pushes the boundaries of artistic expression. Whether you see AI art as a tool or a threat, one thing is sure. AI art is revolutionizing the creative world in ways we never imagined. What do you think about AI art? Is it the future of creativity or just a passing trend? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you want to see more jaw-dropping AI innovations, don't forget to subscribe and check out my next video on AI-powered filmmaking. Until next time, keep creating.